Yo, what's up? We are now sitting in the KGM Musso EV. This is a pickup truck from Korea, huh? And today I'm gonna test the headlights here. So yeah, we actually have some snow on the road, which is actually good because that tends to reflect stuff and actually things appear to be brighter than if it was just, gray, if it didn't have any snow, yeah. So, well, I'm gonna test it anyway, because I think if I wait too long, then I might not have the opportunity to test it. Well, actually, tomorrow and the day after tomorrow is gonna rain a lot. Yeah, so we just have to test it now. All right, let's see. Just wait until we are in the dark side, right here-ish, right? Okay. All right, is it? Boom! Wait. Boom! There. Huh? Wait. Dude! Wait, first of all, you can hear the click here. You know, let me move close to the handle. What? Why is there a half-second delay? What? I put it on manual. It's not on auto. It's, wait, what if I pull it against me? Okay, then it's instant. But dude, this is not very good. In it, it's quite weak. It has poor spread. The delay actually annoys me a bit, but that's okay. No big deal for you guys, maybe. But okay, let me get over on this side here. Let's see. Yeah, I literally in the dark when I take the turns. But here, wow, what the heck, man? We even have some snow now. You can see the snow kind of reflects a bit up against the trees. Well, or yeah, kind of ish. I'm just trying to determine if these headlights are worse than the classic Ioniq headlights. Because classic Ioniq uses candle lights. Yeah. But here, well, okay, incoming traffic, you know, like I could probably keep the high beam on and he wouldn't notice or be bothered by it. That's how weak these headlights are. But wow. Huh? What? Are you in yet? Are you in yet? Of course I'm in. Okay. Let's just keep driving. We need to test the farm inspection, but wow. Yeah, you see now when we have some snow, then the snow reflects and bounces off and stuff, and everything appears to be a little bit brighter, at least. So, but it's like when it's wet outside and so on, and maybe with rain, then you really need good headlights. So, wow. Wait, I'm just checking. Oh, okay. I was on high beam. Okay. But wow, I mean, maybe they don't have dark roads in Korea. Yeah. Well, just get LED bar. Ferdig snakka. Just go to bilkomponenter. You say you want to have the laser Elite 18 plus. Yeah, okay, 18 plus. I mean, it's barely legal, but it's when it's barely legal that it's really good, isn't it? Yeah, but holy shit balls, this is or you can get that other thing, I don't remember what it's called again, but there are also some cheaper LED bars, and even they are way better than these. Holy, wait, I'm not sure, did we drive past the farm inspection? The lights here, they're so dim, I don't know where the heck we are. Okay, no, we did. Okay, we didn't. Okay, it's over here, Okay, calm down, boy. Come on. Calm down, cowboy. All right, let's see. Sot here. Farm inspection. It's now midnight. Boom! They don't see anything, really. They're like, huh? Who's that guy playing around with the flashlight over there? Holy shit balls, man. I thought, you know, like Chinese cars, even Chinese cars nowadays, they're getting better and better headlights. And even the well, even the other Korean cars, you know, Kia and Hyundai, they're also getting better headlights. Even though I remember even those Korean cars in the early days, like e-Niro, Kona, they weren't that great. But even those Koreans, they improved. Even though they're not, okay, they're not like class leading or anything, but what the heck, man? It's so dim. It's like it just lights up a little center area. But okay, even Kia, Hyundai, they got better headlights than this KGM. So I don't know, man. Sangyong KGM, maybe they are just lower. They are beneath the Kia, Hyundai in the food chain. Who knows? But just get lead bar. I mean, yeah, this car, this pickup truck is so cheap, you know. It cost only 470k NOK. Even the Maxus e-Tron 9 costs a lot more, 750k. So the money you save on this car, you can just buy the best LED bar, which is Laser Elite even 18 plus. So and then you go from zero to hero. You go from the shittiest LED headlights to the best. Holy shit! There's no lighting ahead. There could be a moose party ahead and I wouldn't see it. Shit! Just Leroy Jenkins all the night long, man. I have no idea what's coming ahead in just 100, 200 meters. Shit. Oh, okay, we made it here. Wow. If I give it score, are we talking about signed or unsigned values here? Okay, maybe 2 out of 10. No, is this 0 index? Is it 0 to 10 or is it 1 to 10? Okay, 2 out of 10 then, right? All right. It's not the worst I've seen. I think maybe classic Ioniq is the lowest. Yeah, that's the bottom reference. And this is still slightly better than classic Ioniq. So, but I want to ask you guys, huh? How good do you think these headlights are? Huh? How many points would you give it? Just keep in mind that we have some snow. All right. So that's gonna be it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.